behind safety.
A tire can explode with enough force to destroy a face, break fingers, or blind an eye, and vulcanizers stand beside that pressure every day. Hi, I'm PADDIE, your safety buddy. Most roadside tire repairers think the danger is the puncture. It is not. The real danger is the compressed air inside the tire. When a damaged tire or weak rim is inflated, pressure builds rapidly. If that tire bursts, the blast can throw metal fragments and rubber with violent force. That explosion can cause severe injuries to the hands, face, chest, or eyes. The tire may look harmless, but inside it is pressure waiting to escape. Safer habits include standing to the side during inflation, checking rims carefully, using proper air hoses, wearing protective gloves and safety glasses. The danger is not the puncture. It is the explosion no one saw coming. Forward this to a vulcanizer or tire repairer.